Hey, hi, how are you? Good? Well, you're about to feel even better. I know you want to learn and create a new source of income, but you're still unsure how to do it. In this video, I'll share my strategies that can help you achieve the results you want. My name is Simon. I'm a professional trader with over 9 years of experience. Throughout my career, I've worked with major investors and companies, learning the right strategies and market vision from them. Over the years, I've tested numerous trading strategies and through practical application, identified 3 that I now use every single day. These strategies are suitable for both professionals and beginners who want to learn trading. In this video, I'll demonstrate one of my favorite strategies in action. Let's see how it plays out. This will help you grasp the basics and start moving toward your financial goals. We'll break down key concepts, analyze practical examples, and I'll provide you with the tools you need for success. All you need is a little time and a willingness to learn. That's the most important part. If you're ready to learn more and take the next step toward new opportunities, watch this video until the end. By the way, on my Telegram channel, I share my thoughts and ideas that can be useful for those interested in trading. Twice a day, I host online sessions where I show my trading process in real time and publish my trading decisions. Any beginner can take these and apply them. There, we can also communicate, and I'll personally answer any of your questions and help you with learning. This community helps uncover new opportunities and allows us to learn from each other. I believe that support and idea sharing are key for anyone looking to grow in trading. Access to the channel is currently free, so join the Telegram community through the link in the video description or the pinned comment. Now, let's get started. Alright, let's not waste time, let's jump straight into the strategy. I've already set up the platform, so let's start with 5 and see what we can make of it. First, we add our pairs. And the key ingredients for today's session are indicators. We'll be using Supertrend and Bollinger Bands. While I'm setting them up, let me quickly explain. Supertrend shows the market's main direction. Bollinger Bands helps us find the perfect entry points. Everything's ready, let's get started. Today's strategy works for both beginners and experienced traders. Here's the logic. If Supertrend indicates a downtrend and the price is at the upper or middle Bollinger Band, we go down. If Supertrend signals an uptrend and the price is at the lower or middle Bollinger Band, we go up. The key is sticking to the rules. Now let's trade. Let's start with this pair. Supertrend shows a downtrend, the price corrected to the upper Bollinger Band, and we see a bounce. What does this mean? It means we're going down right now. The strategy worked. As you can see, nothing complicated, just follow the algorithm and don't skip any steps. Let's keep moving. The situation here is similar. Supertrend still points down. I see a sideways market and the price is bouncing off the upper Bollinger Band. A perfect moment, we are going down. Just as expected, our result is already 17 and we've barely even started. Let's keep going. Now let's switch to this pair. We've got 17 here. This time the opposite scenario, the price is touching the lower Bollinger Band and Supertrend shows an uptrend. That means we're heading up. Simple and clear. I think you can see for yourself. Friends, remember, it's crucial to act immediately when a good opportunity appears. Therefore, it's important to be careful here. Alright, let's continue. Let's go back to this pair. I'll adjust this value. Looking at the chart, we see sideways movement. Supertrend still signals a sell, so we're going down from the upper Bollinger Band. Stick to the strategy. Now we are at 61. Let's keep going. Do you want to learn how to analyze the market and understand how different strategies work? Join my Telegram channel where I share all of the knowledge I've acquired through my career. You'll find essential educational materials there, and I'll also explain the key aspects of trading. We don't just study theory, we break down practical examples so you can see exactly how to apply the knowledge in real-world scenarios. This will help you develop your skills and get a better understanding of how the market works. Inside the channel, we can also interact, and I'll personally help answer any questions you may have. Access is free, so join now through the link in the description and start learning and growing with us. Now, let's continue. Looking at the chart, we see an uptrend, a correction to the lower Bollinger Band, and super trend confirms the upward movements. We don't argue with the market, we go up. Everything's running like clockwork. I'm sure you can see it for yourself. We're halfway through today's session, but I want to push for an even better result. So let's keep going. Back to this pair. Now we're at 117. We see a reversal. Super trend signals a downtrend, and the price bounced off the upper Bollinger Band. So we're going down with confidence. Smooth and precise, no unnecessary moves. Understand this. This is not luck, it's the result of years of learning and practice. Alright, let's keep going. These guys have been quiet for too long, let's check on them. The trend has shifted up, super trend confirms the uptrend, and after a correction, the price is at the lower Bollinger Band. Perfect setup, we're going up with confidence. Just look at our result. I hope you have not forgotten where we started. Looking closely at the chart, we see the price bounced up and returned to the lower Bollinger Band. A great opportunity for us to go up again with confidence. This strategy is so solid, it never lets us down. A couple more trades and we'll wrap it up. No need to overwork ourselves. Alright, focus on the chart. The price is dropping, but we see a correction to the upper Bollinger Band. Looks like it's time to go down. Let's go for it. Just as planned, we're going down. Let's lock in our results. We finished with an Australian and a Swiss. Now we are at 1,551. The trend has reversed downwards, super trend flipped, and we're seeing a strong decline. The price corrected to the middle Bollinger Band, and now it's falling again. After this correction, we follow it down. A solid strategy and a solid result. I think the numbers speak for themselves, no further explanation needed. I did all of this right before your eyes. You've just watched this video and now you have the opportunity to learn more about how to analyze the market and apply strategies in practice. On my Telegram channel, I share my insights and explain how to analyze charts and make well-informed decisions. We don't just talk about theory, we break down real examples so you can see how to apply the knowledge in practice. This will help you better understand how the market works and make more confident decisions. If you want to learn more, click the link in the description or the pinned comment and subscribe to the channel. See you inside.